In today's video, we'll be discussing about WhatsApp's multiple account feature not showing. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let's get started. So WhatsApp has a multiple account feature, but that feature is only available for Android users. So it is a pretty bad news for iPhone users. So if you go to your WhatsApp and there you will see account option, there you will see that there is no settings such as account feature. So you cannot have multiple accounts in your iPhone for WhatsApp, but that is not the case for Android users. You can simply use multiple account features on WhatsApp. So if you have any videos or if you're wanting to use WhatsApp multiple account feature on your iPhone, you cannot do that. So yeah, that is a clear misconception and also clickbait that people use. So yeah, don't fall for it. And yeah, that is all for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and if you are new to our channel, just hit the subscribe button and stay tuned. Bye bye.